Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this little loft here that's above my roll-up door. Put a little bit of lumber and stuff up there in my wood shop. So it's coming up right now. So my storage loft here is screwed to the wall on two sides, and this corner here is kind of just free floating right now. I have a temporary 2x4 holding it in place, but what I want to do is I want to hang it from the trusses up above so that there is no post here underneath. So I'm going to use a 2x6 for that, and I've stuck it up in place. I've made sure with my level that it's nice and plumb, so I know where I want to cut a hole in the drywall for this 2x6 to slip up through, and then in the attic I'm going to put some braces to help support it to the trusses. So I'm just going to mark this spot. Are you ready? Yeah. So being as though it, that spot came out to be, right in this V of the truss, I was hoping to stand up a 2x6 this way, but I'm hitting those angled truss supports. Or maybe a 2x4 would be better. I could get it even closer. And then put this out a little bit. Okay, now the weight of the loft down below is going to be bolted to this board, which comes up through the ceiling. It's screwed through this brace with 2 screws. And then I took this 2x4, which spans 4 trusses, and I screwed it through that. And now I'm going to take this 2x6 and double up that. I'm going to call this like a header, because it's going to span 4 trusses and carry the weight of everything that's on that 2x6 and spread it out. So all the weight is being carried across this 2x4 and 2x6 header that is going to be pulling down right next to where the V in the truss is. So that's the strongest place on the truss right there. So this header then spreads that out over 4 trusses. So I think it's going to be plenty strong enough. what I'm going to use that loft for is, you know, some wood storage, but I'm going to make sure I don't overload it too much, especially over here on the corner, because the two sides are bolted to the wall, so I think it's going to be plenty strong enough. But we'll test it out here after I get this all done. So I just want to attach these two together. I'm kind of running out of screws, so I'm just going to leave that one for now, but I'm going to put a few more in here before I'm done. I just want to make sure I have enough to finish down below. Five-inch bolts would have been ideal, but I had these 6 inchers laying around, so I think we'll use them. Maybe I'll cut them off, or maybe I won't. And I'm just going to run a jam nut on it just so they don't ever loosen up. Okay, so I'm really confident about the strength of this 2x6 bolted to this vertical 2x6. But this board right now is just attached with 2 of these screws through the end of this 2x6 into it. So I'm going to take and put 2 more into here. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you want to see more of the pole barn shop build series, I'll put it up here. And then the workshop build series I just started, I'll put that down here in this card. Thanks for watching.